Hi, hello, welcome to Dark Angel YouTube channel. So, today I am going to give you the demo about overall not only the cyber security but also different security technologies. So, in this particular demo, I give the agenda of whatever the session I going to take and introduction of myself and demo. If you have any doubts, please ping in the comment section. I will give you the replies. So, coming back to introduction, this is Vijay. I have 5 years of experience in the security technologies, cybersecurity, SOC analyst, ethical hacking, VAPT. Uh, I'm going to give a demo on cybersecurity and SOC. So coming to next slide, IT technologies. In this particular scenario, what want to explain? So as per 2024, as per the Greek website, for the couple of ISCAR and ISACA or European Council, it is also called as EC Council, and the parks related in all technologies. What is leading technologies available? Machine learning and AI. It is the topmost technologies and overall world and IT tech industry. Second one, data science or big data or data analyst and so on. This is the second one. Third one is cloud computing related to Amazon Web Services, Azure, GCP is for the Google and Alibaba and Oracle and so IBM and so on. Number four is the cyber security. When I say cyber security, it includes not only cyber security, but also it includes other securities also as well. I believe I will give in-depth analysis about fourth point, that is cyber security. So, what are the different types of technologies we do have, and how we are expand, how we are collaborate or coordinate with other teams, and what are the important of securities and so on. Number fifth is Python, and sixth one is quantum computing, and seventh one is evergreen programming languages that are C, C++, Java, full stack, and VLSI. That is for designing. And eighth one is ERP platform, SAP, and Power BI, and other some other. So these are the trending technologies as per the 2024. So now coming back to another slide, what whatever we have in this yeah, and coming back on in this slide, first of all, now we are going to know about cybersecurity SOC. So for that, I'm going to tell you some definitions about the cybersecurity and the SOC. So let us see the cybersecurity first. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting devices, network, and programmings from digital attacks. So that is mean it is to protect the whatever we have the programming applications or databases or any data in the organization. We have to protect them in this. Uh, that is a simple definition of the cybersecurity, to protect the databases or data or servers or the leakages of data. We have to prevent that. So this is our cybersecurity. And coming to SOC, SOC is also called a Security Operations Center. The function of Security Operations Center SOC is the monitor, prevent, detect, and investigate and respond to cyber threats. In this SOC, there is uh, around 8 to 10 people. They have to work on 24 by 7 by rotational. Uh, their their main work is to monitor monitor the entire uh, systems. Entire system means they have the some particular tool. In that they will get the alerts to monitor them. Uh, if then any alert, they have to react on that, investigate on that, and respond to according to cyber threats around the clock. This is the uh, some some brief explanation of cybersecurity and SOC. And coming to next slide, yeah, in this we can know about what is hacking, the hackers and the types, and what are their objective. Okay, in this side, for giving the main motto of the hacking is, so hacking is nothing but uh, uh, hacking is nothing but a hacker, or intruder, or maybe a threat actor or malicious actor. He will try to compromise or steal the data or credentials or privacy of the data. So that is nothing but unauthorized access. Okay, that is called hacking. When coming to in this, for example, password numbers, mobile numbers, Aadhaar card or voter ID, your credentials like username and password and bank accounts are uh, these are confidential. So attackers or a hacker, what he will do is try to do hacking. He will do the blackmailing with our data. This will impact to a single person or to a organization. When I say organization, uh, all the way you have to think about the on business point of view. Okay, so every organization contains business databases, applications and servers, endpoints and networks, so on. That particular data should not disclose to hacker. So if the data disclosed to hacker, obviously we will lose our confidential data, whatever the organization it is maintaining. In the similar way, attacker will try to do couple of monitoring functions. Those are, when coming to objective of hackers, easy way of earning money. That is the first thing. And the next one is, in the similar way, stealing of data. When coming to easy way of earning money, so hacker will compromise your Gmail account or Instagram account or net banking account or uh, some, and so on, like this. Assume some. Okay, in case if you don't pay any money to the hacker, he will change your credentials, or he will change your account and finally get the unauthorized access. So that is first objective of the hacker. The second one is stealing of data. Most of the people get confusion in this point. So may people think that hacker will not do anything without data. So it is wrong. He can do anything without data. For example, if if I may be a hacker, uh, so I have the data of how to make a iPhone 16. In a similar way, any pharma related drug data, or banking sector related data. So if they don't have any copyrights, okay, or patents, so from that stolen data, I can make my own product or a drug or a banking services with my name. So always, for example, like I can create an Vijay Vijay phones, or like any other drug with my name, or any other service, banking service with my name, so that I can get money from that, right? So always we have to make sure that stealing of data is very very important from the hacker point of view. Okay, so coming to next slide, hackers, uh, types of hackers. Okay, there are three types of hackers and so on, but basically these are the main points in this in particular view of hackers point of view. Okay, or any thread related to organization. Okay. Mm. These those are black hat hackers, white hat hackers, or gray hat hackers. So, what is the difference between these three types of hackers? Black hat hackers are complete real hackers. They have code knowledge, they have programming knowledge, and they have the knowledge of how to compromise the databases, servers, applications, and so on. When coming to white hat hackers, they have the knowledge, known knowledge of black hat hackers, but they are internal employees of organization. So we can consider them as authorized hackers. What they will do is they will test the organization environment or the networks or some applications. If there is any vulnerabilities, they will raise the tickets or they will complain to the product owners to fix that vulnerabilities. Okay, vulnerabilities. Okay, and coming to gray hat hackers, these are combination of both black and white hackers. They are not malicious, but they are not always ethical side also. Uh, for example, what what I can say. For example, their mindset will change according to the data or anything. They will do the silly things, or they can do anything effectively. Okay, uh, like they are they can get enjoyment in that hacking. Okay, okay. Uh, as based on technologies, some of the where, some of the adding these of the curriculum in their syllabus like CSC cybersecurity, CSC cloud engineering, CSC data analyst, CSC machine learning and AI, and so on. In their colleges, they are implementing, they are teaching or adding their syllabus for in their colleges. Okay. Now coming to cybersecurity, there are different types of domains and subdomains of security. In this slide, the first five, these 1 to 5, are world securities, are world methods, but still we are using these securities from the year of computer was invented. And the next securities are trending securities in the market. When I said that these are old securities or methods, but these are legacy. But we have to follow these things without missing this one. Okay. Coming to trending security technologies, application security, cloud security, uh, product security, cyber security, mobile security, IoT, OT, and some. These are. And coming to trending technologies of application security, day by day the usage of application is increasing, right? Why? Because the usage of internet and the um, uses of due to uh, Ambani has given free internet, the usage of applications also has been increased. And the type in the pandemic period, the application usages was more increased when compared to the past years. Okay. uh, the next one is cloud security. Nowadays everyone is migrating from on premises to cloud or data center to cloud, or many for so many reasons that we can see later. Okay. Next one is product security. This product security is applicable to not like our consulting companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, and so on. This is applicable who is developing the product. That may be a Google, Amazon, Philips, Motorola, and so on. These companies require the product security. And the next one is cybersecurity. So cybersecurity is very important from the organization point of view. So whatever hacker they are trying to do, hack the part, hacking part of hacking part. So 24 by 7 we have to monitor the respective organization or customers or clients data should not disclose to the hacker. Okay. And mobile security, so whoever developing Apple or Samsung, such a each and every in that particular mobiles, each and every application they develop in the mobile, and also whatever physical raw data is existing in that mobile, we should take care of the iOS or Android software. Okay. And IoT, OT, and IoT securities. We will explain that next coming slides. Okay. I will explain these securities in the next slides. Okay. When coming to first one, information security. Um, the information, it is important, is nothing but collection of data. Information. Information means nothing but collection of data. So that particular data may be confidential or restricted or internal data. So under the information security, we have sub branches like GRC, implementation, risk management, and incident response. When coming to GRC, it is nothing but auditing. Every organization have two types of audits. One is security audit, and another one is financial audit. The security audit is done by GRC team, and financial audit is done by chartered accounts, called the CA. Implementation. When coming to implementation, every organization has to maintain couple of basic things. Uh, those things are HR policies, legal policies, admin, and transport. Each and every employee personal and professional information like health, technical, or benefits as well. This information related to has to be implementation, and this come under to implementation section. Okay. And the another one is risk management. Every organization in this risk management, every organization faces risks, right? For those risks, we have to do assessment on that endpoint side, application side, from organization or customer side or a client side, a client point of view. Okay. We can make sure that what is risk involved. We can what we have to do is what is the risk involved, and how many types of risks, what is the mitigation steps, and finally how we can mitigate the risk. These steps are taken under the control of risk management. Okay. And the last one is incident response. Every organization has to maintain business continuous planning, right, without any issues. If like what we say, unavailable or um, unavailability of applications or some surveys, like we have to and if it is don't maintain availability, the customer will may change the other companies. Like for example, we take bank sector. Okay. In that, we need to transfer our money to another account. For that, at that particular time, what we say, that server has been made down, or other receiver bank may be facing some issues like that. We can see sometimes in the phone pay or Google Pay, like that. That issues has been have to be handled in this incident response. The availability we have to maintain the availability of the service. Okay. When coming to physical security, we should follow the physical security as well. If we want to become CISO of the company, CISO means Chief Security Officer. It He will in his under every team is come. Every team will come. Okay, like a network team or a ADR team or a cyber security team and security guards. So like that. Okay, this is not this is a not from the technical point of view. The physical security. I'm saying that physical security, not the point, not a technical side. Okay, it is a physical side. In in any organization, security guard is available, right? Whenever unknown person entering, he will stop that person. Without the access card, he won't allow him. Or all these are under physical security. Every organization has to take care of physical security controls for the business continuity. Like when he was entering into the organization, he has to carry ID cards, and they have to implement the CCTVs, and as well as the at the uh, at the starting, we have to put some security guards and fingerprints, for the capturing of or the time maintenance of the employees. We have to implement the fingerprints and signatures as well. Uh, for some for some reasons, we need to use the digital signatures. uh, they have to be stored in the pen drives. For that, it is also physical, right? Pen drive also have to maintain those very securely, right? And coming to next slide, EDR, endpoint security. What is endpoint here? It is nothing but end user machines, that may be laptop, MacBooks, desktop, printers, servers. Okay, if we want to protect or prevent of attacks on endpoints, we call it as endpoint security or endpoint protection. What are the different types of solutions implement under endpoint security? We have to implement EDR, uh, next generation antivirus. We have to eliminate here the traditional antivirus. Okay, XDR, in XDR in the similar way, we have to implement a DLP encryption, HIDS and HIPS. HIDS and HIPS are the host IDS, host intrusion detection system, and host intrusion prevent system, and mobile device management. Each and every one what we are implement are the tools. For these tools, we have to a lot of vacancies. Okay, uh, that implementation of these are like tools only, not in a manual way. These are not a physical parts. Those are the tools which are applications. Okay, and coming to next slide, network network security. The next the network security is called as a perimeter security also. So nothing but basically internet phishing. Here most of the attacks come from the internet, right? That may be phishing attack, drive-by download. In organization point of view, we have to implement network solutions. Those are next generation firewall, or firewall, and the next one is a proxy server, or a secret web gateway also. Proxy server, we call it as a secret web gateway. Okay, and third one is NIDS and NIPS. We have seen that is IDS IPS with the H here. See, here it we call as N means network. So similar to that HIDS and HIPS. Okay, the names will change here, and the roles and policies also change here when with compared to that one. Um, uh, and here also we have L1, L2, L3 position of vacancies. These are also tools. We don't need any manuals work here, like a physical. These are also applications. Okay. Next one is infrastructure security. This is not only belongs to a server, it also it will contains Windows servers, Linux servers, and backup databases, and all our laptops, MacBooks, everything. But especially security side. Okay, what is the infrastructure security? Whatever the servers we do have, we have to do the scanning or scanning of servers, and for that for that one we can use a couple of tools, and the process will call it as vulnerability management and vulnerability assessment. We have to run the scan, and we have to identify is there any vulnerability uh, are existing, and finally those vulnerabilities are fixed by the respective server team by raising the ticket. What is our role is creating the scan, uh, and implementation of rules and policies, running the scan and identify the vulnerability, and assigning to the respective owners, and fixing the vulnerabilities, and and again re-verifying and re-auditing. Okay, now coming to trending securities, uh, where it is, where, yes, and coming to trending securities, these are this 6 2, and the sixth one, and application security. Okay, this will follow this application security and mobile security, IoT, and product security. This will follow almost same by covering the SDLC life cycle. That means here I can show you that. Yes. Yes, here SDLC life cycle, like requirements, design, development, tests, and release phase. We have to provide security by coordinating with the requirement team, by coordinating software architecture or a product owner, by coordinating with all the developers, by coordinating with the testing tools. In this way, we have to do security testing, and finally, once our security side, we are confirmed that there are no issues are exist are existing, or no problems, no loopholes, then we can inform to the respective application owner or product owner, then we release to the public. Like, for example, if we take um, any mobile like Samsung or maybe iOS, they have, it should be go under some tests related to what the applications inside that mobile. They have to we have to conduct some tests or penetration testing, like is there any loopholes or vulnerabilities. We have to check it. After that, we have to release that in the publics. But nowadays, most of them are not following these steps, right? But mm, but one backdrop in this security field is, at least we have the knowledge of one programming language. If you know any one of this programming language, Java, .NET, or C, C++, there you can eligible for this role. Okay, and next one is cloud security. Whatever in the on premises means that physical servers are physical things, like, okay, and like NIDS or NIPS, we have that firewalls or that. Okay, we are deploying in the uh, On premises we are deploying in the endpoint securities solutions, network, and also cyber security solutions. Everything we have to implement as well, implement in cloud as well. They may be AWS, GCP, Azure, and so on. Couple of security solutions we have to provide that that may inbuilt on native cloud services, or that may be third party, like bring your own device or service. The couple of services are IAM, identity and access management, and the next one is logging and monitoring. uh, this one this what is what we call is S3 buckets, key vault, firewall, um, web application firewall. These are on the security group. The network access control list, DOS protection, firewall protection. There are so many things we have to enable. Okay, to make sure that whenever the application is migrates to on-premises to cloud environment, or maybe direct from the scratch, we are deploying application on the cloud side that may pass SaaS or IaaS based IaaS. Okay, according to that one, implement sufficient access control from security point of view. Okay, and the last one but not least one is cybersecurity. Okay, cybersecurity is basically for 24 by 7 monitoring and for a single console, but we have so many tools um, we take. And okay, sorry, yeah, in the cybersecurity we basically for 24 by 7 monitoring for single console, but we have so many tools we have, right? And more security domains available. Then why single tool or single console is required? From this console, we can take care of overall analysis. There is no need of another security tools. Everything we can analysis, closing of tickets and compromising scenario, and infection cleaning, like everything taken care by itself. Remember one thing, only we do analysis but not change or modify the rules or policies in another security tools, right? Okay, in case sim tool is not there, hmm, sim tool is not there, uh, then uh, uh, blaming game will happen. uh, for example, in an organization, one of the attack occur here that may belongs to the server side got compromised. Okay, that the ticket went to endpoint security. Then that endpoint security, they will say like this: it is not our under my side, please go and coordinate with the network security. When we contact to the network security, they will also say that is not in that my job, please go check with another security team. Okay, they will, and we go to the another security team, they will also say like this. In this way, the blame game will happen. Okay, by this time what will happen, the other systems also got compromised and the infection will be increased, right? Data data may lose, and the reputation of the company will damage, and the losing of money, and the project will lose, and the losing of the project profits also. For that's why single unified team required to take care of overall analysis and investigation. We can use cybersecurity tools, that is sim tool. It is used under the SOC team. So SOC team is 24 by 7 operational team. Under this one, under this we have the level 1, level 2, level 3, or tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. In this way, our overall escalations taken care, and finally to maintain all these people, one dedicated person take care. That person is called manager. He do people management and take care of the technical side as well. Okay, this is the cybersecurity uh, brief explanation. And what we need for the role of cybersecurity or the SOC, what are the requirements is educational. And coming to educational, it is 10 plus 2 plus 3. That means 10th, 10th and intermediate, and any bachelor degree like BSc computers or BZC or agriculture or any field, any field that bachelor degree we need, or a BTech or like that. Okay, and and the another knowledge we need is system knowledge, system basic knowledge, like how to operate the system, how to um, use that applications as well. And main the main skill we need is English and soft skills, because we have to coordinate with the other country teams, other country peoples, like US or Nigeria or Dubai, like that. So that we need English very very need in this job. uh, Without English we can't survive in this job. Okay, we do have the technical knowledge, but with the without the explanation to the client, or how we are doing this job, how do if some, if maybe attack happen, how we are investigating, how we are doing that process. You can't explain that. How can you survive? How can they get to know how you have done this one? So for that we need the English as well. Okay, and the couple of tools we are going to use in the SOC team is furnaces vulnerability management, and Splunk, Exabeam, and QRadar, IBM QRadar. This is, and LR, and and some other tools also there. These tools are for SIM, to analyze the tickets or alerts. Okay, so for CrowdStrike and Defender are for EDR, endpoint detection, or endpoint protection. For this, we use these tools, and FortiGate and Palo Alto for the firewall. We seen that is network security. And ServiceNow is the ticketing tool to raise the tickets in the organization. And couple of other things are Nmap and Wireshark and Process Monitor for the Process Explorer. Okay, this is the brief explanation of cybersecurity and the demo of cybersecurity. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment, and as well as like. If you have any interest in to join in this uh, course, my details are in description. Please contact to that number. Well, thank you for watching this video.